Hello everybody, this is Dr. Ali Magibel. Now we're doing mathematical functions of signals. We know what signals are, like the unit step function, the ramp function, and now we'd like to see how to sketch or how to represent mathematical functions of signals. So we have signals and we have mathematical function of them, summation, multiplication, and what have you. Here's an example. I have colored the components of this example with different colors here. F of t is made of 3 of t plus t of t minus 2 minus 1, ut is minus 1, and so on. Remember that t times u of t is nothing but the ramp function. So let's start ordering the items here, and we start from the left. So these two, this start at t equal to 0, and this guy starts at t equal to 0. So let's draw the components with their color. This is the function of unit step function multiplied by 3. It becomes 3u of t. So this is if we are asked to sketch the first signal. The second signal in green is a ramp function that starts here with a slope equal to 1. It's a unit ramp function. Since it has a slope of 1, it means to reach a level of 3, we need 3 units in time, because the slope is 1. Delta y over delta x equals to 1. So the point of intersection is 3, 3 here. If we sketch the third item here, it's a ramp but with a minus slope. So let's just sketch that, and it starts at t equal to 1. The last item in the list is minus 5 unit step function. It starts at 2 here. So if we sketch, it looks like this. Now the point is that we need to add all of them. So to make the job easier, we will have vertical lines. So for example, up to times 0, the sum of all the signals here is 0. And here we have 0. From 0 to 1, we have 0, a slope of 1, and 3. 0 has no impact. A slope of a constant value of 3 will shift the signal by 3 units. So we have 0 up to 1. They will be shifted to come from 3 up to 4. Remember that the slope is 1. So for every single unit in the x-axis, we go up by 1 unit. Now starting at time equal to 1, we'll have positive slope and negative slope, and they are 3 and minus 3. So the slope is 1 and minus 1, so they cancel each other. So we have a net slope of 0. And when it comes to the values, we have 3 and 0. We have 3 and 0, so the signal will remain as is. So everything before was as is. The only new thing here is added is the negative slope. So instead of continuing, positive, negative slope will cancel out, and we get a constant. Now after 2, the new added thing here, otherwise we'd have continued, but we have a shift of minus 5 units. So 4 minus 5 will go down by minus 5 units, and we have our sketch here. So once again, if you want to sketch mathematical function of signals, you need to divide that into parts, maybe draw the individual components, and then think about regions in the vertical axis. In the time axis. Remember that the slope, if it is positive and negative, they cancel each other. And if the values are not the same, then we need to find how much remains. A constant means shifting the diagram or the signal up or down. And that's the final sketch. Here are some additional examples. Let's start by stating the skills that we need. The needed skills are to, given the expression, we should be able to sketch the signal. Alternatively, given the signal, we should be able to write the expression. So let's look at this example where we have 4 different pieces for the signal. It's a function made of many signals. We have ramp function slope 3, ramp function slope minus 3, and then we have the appropriate slope and appropriate time. So if you sketch up to t minus 2, there is nothing, And then we have the starting ramp function with slope equal to 3. Slope equal to 3 means every x-axis one step, I will move upwards by 3. Then at time equal to -1, we have the green function. We had the slope of 3, now slope of -6. 3 and -6, what remains is -3. So we should go this way. Again, 3 units here and then 3 units here. So this is supposed to be -3. And then if we add 3 here, we'll have a constant. And then finally, we can add the unit step function. And that's the end of the sketch. We have matched the colors, so you can follow up with the sketch. Alternatively, we can be given other expression to draw, or we can be given the sketch and we extract the expression. Remember that the unit step function, we can use it to sample the signal. So this is the starting point at 0. This was a unit step ramp function, the slope of v over t. And then we have the unit step function to start, to eliminate everything before. And then this is the end time, capital T. We can also use the rect function, where the denominator represents the duration and the shift represents the starting, the center point.